तर तुम्ही आज मंत्रालयान येयल्ले आहा आनी सीएम सराक मेळ्ळे सो कितें उलोवप जालें तुमचें?
उलोवप जालें आमचे 5 पॉयंट आहात. वन इज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ द बोर्ड. आमी पयलो बोर्ड आमच्या टुरिजम पॉलिसी मेळ्ळी 2020. In which there was a particular methodology for composition. It had 8 members from the industry, including one PTAG, one BCCI, one all stake owners and all that, this thing, one many other small groups, all included in that. Now in the new act they have deleted all that. And that was done, I don't know with whose consultation, I don't think the CM knows, I don't think even the tourism minister knows. So that is one point. Second thing is there are huge fees, sustainability fees, 2% percentage. So fees normally fee is a fee, fixed fee. It can never be percentage. So therefore we have raised an objection, and that fee will be charged for any transaction or any, even a local body, even a restaurant locally is selling something. You cannot distinguish whether it is for tourism or business or for personal use. So therefore that has to be dealt with. Second thing is registration of hotels and tourism ventures. We have existing registrations which are valid for 5 years even. Now those 5 years are not looked at. You re-register immediately within 180 days or you will be deregistered.
So what was the reason for the 180 days they have done?
I don't know 180 days, but we have registrations, some of which you pay extra fee, you get a validity for 5 years. Now that is not looked into. So there are many other aspects, penalties, and there are penalties without defining offences, and which penalties for 4 or 5 offences, they are not offences, just for disobedience of the orders of the board. What the orders are there, it is not made known. So each of those fines is 10 lakhs. If you are a small restaurant or a big 5-star, the same fine. It doesn't make sense. No classification, grading is not there.
So as you given the major suggestions, so what was the assurance you got from the CM sir?
You need to talk to the tourism minister and delay introduction of the bill.
You will be also going to meet the tourism minister?
We already met.
So what he has said?
No, he was going out. He said, no, I have to introduce the bill. I've got it drafted from Nalsar, Hyderabad. Those Nalsar people are theoretical people. They don't know what is tourism in Goa.
Anyway, we have requested Chief Minister not to take this forward in the coming assembly. Before taking it forward in the future, to take the consultation of all stakeholders. That is most important, and then take it forward.
So as of now, you have been not taken in consideration.
Yeah, it's not question of consideration, but it is not done satisfactory.
When the draft was made, was never circulated to anyone.
Final draft amka dadung na.
Yeah,
We
okay.
have
So
requested for not to introduce it into the
final draft झालं त्याला तुमका एक consider करून
na amka dadung.
तर तुमचे नाव सांगचे तुम्ही.
TTA चे आम्ही सगळे जण. आकाश मडगावकर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट नॉर्थ गोवा, फ्रांसिस्को ब्रगेंजर, former president TTAG, immediate past president Mr. Nilesh Shah, and from NRAI Pranav Dhuri.
आणि
Mr. Dixon is.
GSTच्या संदर्भात तुमचे किती आहा और तुम्ही हॅपी आहात GST?
ना, आम्ही त्यांना सांगला की once GST is charged, you cannot put another fee on top of it. The idea is that GST would take care of all the taxes, no? So how can you put another fee?
So I think CM has understood that point.
We will send you a press note.
Press note also, but he understood the point that it cannot be another tax. So there are enough tax which are already charged. So our thing is very clear. That when we are talking ease of business, I think the present regulation does not address that challenge. And I think overall, I think I'm sure everybody will see across. It's already there in the media, the points which are of contention issue. But there are other points also besides the 2%, which we have highlighted right now. And I'm sure, I think they will look to address those challenges before actually presenting the bill in the Assembly.
So you are hopeful some changes will happen?
Absolutely, it will happen.
It will happen.